What's good, guys? I'm currently in this trade. It's Monday though. I'm currently in this trade on my 5k account, and it's running loss. So I'm going to show you. This is the trade. Currently in loss right now. I'm going to come back to it and I'll update you guys on what happened. Guys, this is unbelievable. After the price was not going my way for a while, I just said I should just, because the trade at first was against my rule. It was against what I trade. I don't normally trade something like this, but let me show you. This fair value gap was my target. This one was my entry because this was inverse. So this one and then this one inverted to I saw this trend that price was making. This was something that's similar to a silver bullet entry. So look at this trend line. That was what I was considering, because if it broke that trend line, the price would just start coming down. Something similar here. If you can see it, this level and then this, it tapped, went up. So it was something similar here. I entered here. The price just started going into loss here, trailing loss there, and after a while I just said, let me say break even. Anything that I get from break even, I'll just take it, because the trade was against me. And all of a sudden, just look at this. This is more than 20, let's say just 10 pips, or to my just around 10 pips. See that? And it's still moving in profit though, but I'm already out for break even. So this is the 2k account. I just taking like 3 trades on that account and just one profit. It's just $1 profit, so that's nothing. And to cover all these error trades that I took, one break even trade on this account now. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. And the price is even still moving. Look at this. This is 1-to-1 like this. This will have been a profitable trade. This would have been a flipping profitable trade. Look at this. That's 1-to-1. I'm risking 20 pips. That's 1-to-1 already. So crazy trade today, guys. This is my second trade I was supposed to take today. This trade totally missed my entry by around 2 pips or so. Then even came back for the second time. 4 pips that I missed again. Let me show you the trade. This is the trade. And it's even coming back for its 3rd time. I don't even know who it's going to be, but I'm going to leave the order open just in case, like this. That's just a $20 risk on the account, on the 2k one-step account. As you can see here, see the missed entry. Just start those like 2 pips or so. I think it's coming back for a 3rd time now. Let's see. I'll update you guys how. Like I said, today is really a crazy day. 3 trades now. One was break even. I think one was break even. Then the other was also break even. I think I missed the other one. Oh, the first one was break even. The second one I missed it. It just by 2 pips. Now the third one, I don't even see the third one at all. Let me show you. This is the 3rd trade that I took, that I was supposed to take today. The second one that I missed, just see, look at this. After I just came down to that area by 2 pips, mixed my entry by 2 pips, it started to pump. Look at this, 85 pip profit I will have taken here. Just kept going up. Look at this moment. Then I just mapped out this fair value gap. I just left it and forgot it. I just came back like 20 minutes ago and just saw that I just came back around now. I just see that thing has flat now and to TP. Look at this. This is 100 pips. 100 pips. Look at this. 140 pips. I've just missed today. So today has just been a crazy day for me. Or a crazy Monday just means a crazy. Today has just been crazy, really. But I just know this week is going to be good because a crazy Monday is always a great week for me. So we see tomorrow. I look forward to training tomorrow. So catch you guys later. What's good, guys? Today is Sunday, and on Monday was a really crazy day, and I was really expecting a crazier week, but everything was just messed up. On Wednesday, I just opened my Marvin trader account and just saw a loss. Of like $22, and I did not take any trade that day. I don't even analyze that day. I was unable to open the chart to even see anything. I just opened the Marvin account like this. I just saw a loss. Look at this. It was $22 loss. You can see it. Yeah. Just open it but it was oddly specific. Stop loss was there, take profit was there, and I know, and I'm sure I did not take any trade that day. I was very sure because I went back to my trading view and I could not even see that I analyzed anything. So it was just depressing. Then on the following day, I just take this short trade. But even though I did not follow my rule, it's $9 actually. I did not follow my rule on this trade. Just took some profits, try to recover. If I had followed my rule here, I probably would have breaking even. So I'm down around $13 on the account. Look at that account. I'm down $13 on the account. We are good. Everything is good. This week was a slow week for me. Other than Monday, I did not even get any action to trade. So please, if you are watching this, please sure to do it, subscribe, like, and follow. Thank you.